Hi, I am James Feeney. Today we will be unboxing Apple's wireless keyboard. This keyboard runs off of Bluetooth technology and powers up using AA batteries. Now, in order to set up this keyboard, you actually have to use a pre-existing Mac that's already up and running. You can't use this out of the box with a brand new Mac system. But with this is the first keyboard that I've ever had that's wireless to the point of using Bluetooth technology. I have used remote control software before to get what I need to get done, but this might actually be a nice refreshing change. Now, this keyboard does not have a number pad. Like laptop keyboards, nowadays some of them do have full-on number keypads. This one doesn't. So actually, let's unbox this one, and when I'm done with this, and once I start using it, I'll give you my first impressions at the end of this video. Now, we're going to cut here along the side to make sure. I'm going to cut away from myself on this side. Let's see, do I have anything else to cut here? I don't think so. No, wait, yes I do. Right here. Alright, so let's cut this open. And I might just have to remove some plastic. Yep. Like so. And let's see. Alright, we have Apple's pull tab system here. So all we're just going to have to do is, let me find it on this side, is pull it out. And we'll put the box to the side right now. Here is the keyboard. It's really, really thin. I'm amazed by it. Let's say something here. Just using it through the plastic, it feels really nice. And let's see. It comes with the batteries installed already. I'm getting the green light right here. Now, actually, one thing I am curious about is how many AA batteries does this keyboard use? Now, actually, I will get this out of its packaging right now. You have the Apple logo in the back here. Let's see, will it show up? Very faintly. So, you know what? Let me just remove some more plastic along the side. We'll put the keyboard to the side right now. And I'm actually going to see quickly how many batteries this keyboard requires, because this is one thing I am curious about. And Apple is, wow. Yeah, I'm amazed. This keyboard only uses 2 AA batteries, and Apple was kind enough to provide us with Energizer advanced batteries. So with this, I will show you how to set up the keyboard right now. Once I get this done, screw up, and we'll switch over to my Mac system so you can see how to set up the keyboard. Now we're going to go to the keyboard. We'll go there. Actually, set up Bluetooth keyboard. No keyboards found. We are now, we are turning it on right now. Alright, we have the green light. It is now searching for the keyboard. And it has found our keyboard. Now it's connecting. Alright, now attempting to pair. Type in the following numbers and then press the return key. Give me 1 second. There you go. And we now have Apple's keyboard set up with the Mac, and it now notified us actually on the bottom of the screen. So now we can actually control, let me zoom out all the way. We now have brightness control off the keyboard. Actually, you know what? I will show you this like so. We can open up the, I believe that's mission control. We have Launchpad on here. We have Launchpad when we press the one button. We can change the volume of the system. and do all fun other stuff. Eject, which Apple stopped putting in the disk drives years ago, which I'm still trying to figure out why they have the eject button. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video.